In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear glass lift support on the Chevy Tahoe. You'll have two of these, one located on each side of your rear tailgate. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. Something that we need to mention is as you're removing this one, you're only going to have one more lift support holding this glass up, so be extremely careful. To remove this, we'll use a small pocket screwdriver. On each end, you're going to find that you have a metal clip that you want to carefully get underneath, pry it apart, and then remove it from the glass. After that, we'll do the same to the body. There's one of the clips. Just pull this right out of place. There it is, friends. All right, let's get ready for the installation. We'll take this and press it into place. Listen for a click from both ends, double check to make sure they're secure, and do the same on the other side of the vehicle. After that, test its functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.